Today I have published a follow-up review on how the recommendations made in the No Excuse report and inspection of the handling of domestic violence and abuse cases by the criminal justice system in Northern Ireland have been implemented. In 2019, the Police Service of Northern Ireland, the Public Prosecution Service, the Department of Justice and the Criminal Justice Board accepted the 7 inspection recommendations. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we were all told to stay at home, but for too many in our community, home wasn't a safe place before the public health regulations were introduced, never mind during them, when family tensions and stresses were increased. Rachel Lindsay was the lead inspector and will tell you what we found.
We recognise that the pandemic has impacted on the progress of some recommendations, and there were other priorities criminal justice organisations needed to address. But domestic incidents and crimes didn't pause, quite the reverse, so delivering better services, better protection and better outcomes is urgently needed. We assess 1 recommendation as achieved, 4 as partially achieved and 2 as not achieved. While some progress is good, we had hoped the independent advocacy service tendered for would be more ambitious and provide the one-stop and seamless service needed. 2 years on, there is still only 1 domestic violence and abuse court in Northern Ireland. Numbers of case referrals to a multi-agency risk assessment conference, or MARAC, are half the recommended level and numbers are reducing. Finding out why and what needs to happen next should be a priority for MARAC members. We were impressed with how the Police Service of Northern Ireland-led Domestic Abuse Independent Advisory Group worked with public and community sector organisations to support victims and respond to their needs during the pandemic. Improvements in sharing information between the police and public prosecution service working together as a prosecution team are also a good start, with more benefits planned. Perhaps most impressive is the passage of the bill and creation of the Domestic Abuse and Civil Proceedings Act Northern Ireland 2021 in a year.
Thanks, Rachel. The creation of the Domestic Abuse and Civil Proceedings Act is a big achievement, and it has great potential to make a real difference to victims and their families. The implementation of the outstanding inspection recommendations will support that too. There is more to be done to strengthen the criminal justice system's response to domestic violence and abuse. It's an important subject and one we at CJI will return to in the future.